5, we wrote recipes to help us make the best stories.
Whisk up a plan for your story.
Knead some interesting sentences together. Sprinkle in some crazy and outstanding characters.
Mix in a fascinating scene and leave to develop.
Drizzle in the correct punctuation.
Beat in varied vocabulary to create a vivid picture.
Add a dollop of humour. Roll in the suspense and add a slice of adventure or action.
Pour in half a cup of joy and half a cup of sadness.
Bake for 20 minutes to set the plot.
Spread on the imagination throughout.
Decorate it with excitement. Cut up into paragraphs.
Mix in a dialogue and carefully place the speech marks.
Tip in several spoonfuls of correct spelling. Wash out all the boring words.
Smooth out the mistakes.
Let the ending simmer, bringing everything together. Finish with a layer of neat handwriting.
Stir everything together to create a wonderful